Bella Beans Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a simple beef and rice recipe. The main material for this recipe are rice, beef, and beets. The rice need to be soaked in the cold water for 24 hours. Now let's process this beef steak. If you don't want cut this beef, you can use ground beef instead. You may also use a blender to cut the beef. So now let's first cut this beef steak into thin slices. Then cut the slices into small strips. Then use the two knives to chop the beef strips into small pieces. But don't need too small. The best is they are bigger than ground beef. Now the beef is okay. We put them into a container. Next, we cut the green onions into two parts. First, we use the white part. Slice them into slices. Then slice this ginger into thin slices first. Then cut them into thin threads. Next step, we make salted onion ginger liquid. First, we add salt into the container. Then use the hand, grab everything in this container. Mix salt with everything. When you feel everything is sticky and some liquid come out, then add in cold water. Grab everything again. Now you see our onion ginger liquid formed. Next, we go back to the meat container. Add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in white pepper powder. Add in oyster sauce. Add in sugar. The last one, add in salted green onion ginger liquid. That's the one we made before this step. Now we grab everything in this meat container to mix everything well. Then we add in OXO chicken sache. That's one bag. Now to mix everything. Since the mixture is a little bit dry, so I added in another 1/8 cup of cold water. Sorry, I didn't catch this step in my camera, but you can see there are more liquid in the meat mixture. Next step, wash all the vegetables and remove the seeds from the red hot pepper, and then slice it into thin slices. Then cut it into tiny bits. For the green onion, green part, we slice it first. Then cut them into small, tiny pieces too. Now, green onion and red pepper bits are ready. Next step, we process the 3 beets. Cut each one into small slices. Each slices is about 1/4 inch thickness. Next, we put the beet slices 1 layer in the plate. Totally, we have 3 plates to hold all the beet slices. Now the beet slices are ready. Next, we back to the meat container. We add in the soaked rice. That's 1/2 cup. That's another 1/2 cup of soaked rice. You can put more or you can put less of rice based on how much the portion of the meat and the versus the rice. It's very flexible. Next, put a big tablespoon of the meat and the rice mixture into the hand. Then make a ball using the hand. Then put the ball onto the beet slices. You can make a smaller or you can make a bigger balls based on how many beet slices you want to use. Now I have 3 plates of the balls and a little bit left in the container. Next, put some water in the steamer. Make sure the water is enough for boiling about 30 minutes. Then put the first container in the bottom layer. This is the second layer. This is the third layer. And this is the 4th layer. So totally I have 4 layers of the beef rice balls. Cover it and turn the heat to medium heat. Next, use a bowl, add in salt, add in sugar, add in light soya sauce, add in VH Plum sauce. Add in potato starch. Add in cold water. Stir to mix everything. Add in more cold water. Then stir, set it aside. Now we see the steamer already have some steam come out. So we steam for 30 minutes from now. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and cool down about a few minutes. Then open the cover. Wow, they're looking so nice. Then we take out all the plates. That's 3 plates. Next, we heat a cooking pan over medium heat. Then add in the plum juice mixture into this pan. Then stir. Continue stir until the liquid is thicker enough like this. We turn off the heat. Then add the plum juice mixture onto each of the bowl. Then sprinkle with green onion bits and the red pepper bits. Now everything is well done. Wow, they look so beautiful. Now we start to eat. Take one bowl as well as the beets and take some juice. Then this is the first bite. Wow, it tastes so wonderful. A little bit beef taste, a little bit rice taste, a little bit plum juice sweet taste, and everything is so wonderful. If you like my recipe, you may click subscribe as well as the bell notification. Then every time I have new recipe, you are notified. Thank you so much for your watching. Take care and keep good. See you next time.